Information management, presenting information in a report. A written report should have a clear structure. There should be a title page, a table of contents, an introduction, the body or all the facts that you're putting in, a conclusion, a reference list or a bibliography, and sometimes an appendix. Let's look at each of these parts of the report structure. Notice that on this cover page, styles have been used. Every report must have a title, must say who did the report, and usually has a submission date. This report was done by the Department of Environmental Affairs, so it's rather long and complex. If necessary, watch a word processing video to see how to construct a table of contents. You'll need to use the styled sheets and give styles to your different headings so that they can appear in the table of contents. The table of contents should have a list of all the headings in your report and provide page numbers. The introduction should give terms of reference and explain the scenario. It should also give an outline of the report structure. The body must use headings and subheadings which reflect the contents of each section. The body obviously includes the information or the important ideas in your report. You can also use illustrations such as graphs and tables, or diagrams. After the body comes the conclusion and any recommendations that have to be made. The conclusion should clearly state the conclusions that can be drawn from all the information that was provided in the body. And usually the conclusion also includes recommendations for what should be done as a result of the report. If there are a lot of recommendations, they can also be placed in a table. Then the reference list. Obviously you need a bibliography. You should use the simplified Harvard style or the APA style. There's a program on the internet called BibMe. It's available at www.bibme.org. We'll see that at the end of the lesson. It's very useful to help you draw up your reference list or bibliography. The final part of the report structure will be the appendix. This includes any pictures and information that support your research but are not essential to your explanation. If you have a few articles or pictures or information, name each part Appendix A, Appendix B, etc. Now let's look at that internet site. Like other free internet services, this website will have a lot of advertising. Just ignore the adverts. If you have an account, you can save your bibliography online. You can also download it when it's ready. You can select the type of source that you're going to need a citation for, and you can type in the title of the book here. When you select Find a Book, all the details will be shown for the book. When you're ready to make the bibliography and you've selected a book, select the type or the style, such as APA style. The citations are going to appear here. If you don't have an internet account, you can just copy and paste them into your report.